EvoRepel is a versatile 3-in-1 outdoor solution that functions as a mosquito repellent, a bright camping lantern, and a power bank. It is equipped with a powerful 14,400 mAh battery that delivers up to 16 hours of mosquito repellent mode, 12 hours of lantern mode, and an impressive 40 hours when used as a power bank. The device includes 2 repellent mats that heat up to 165 degrees Celsius (329 degrees Fahrenheit) within 2 minutes, creating a protective zone extending up to 30 feet. Portable, durable, and highly effective, EvoRepel is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a mosquito-free outdoor experience. This lightweight, easy-to-use hammock can be set up in just 3 seconds, making it great for camping, hiking, backpacking, or relaxing outdoors. Simply unfold it and attach both ends to sturdy trees or poles using the quick-release buckle system. The durable nylon fabric provides comfort and support, while the built-in mosquito net keeps unwanted insects away. Whether you're in the wilderness or your backyard, this hammock is a perfect way to unwind and enjoy the scenery. The GigaPump 4.0 is a compact, lightweight, rechargeable air pump perfect for inflating and deflating air mattresses, pool floats, sleeping pads, and other inflatables. Weighing just 3.5 ounces, it's extremely portable and includes 5 multipurpose nozzles. It also doubles as a camping lantern, offering 100 lumens of light for up to 12 hours. Powerful, efficient, and pocket-sized, the GigaPump 4.0 is a must-have for outdoor adventurers. This advanced camping system includes a spacious, durable tent, a 6-inch insulated air floor, and a customizable canopy. The tent's weatherproof fabric and thoughtful design offer comfort for up to 4 people. The proprietary air floor provides a cushioned, puncture-resistant sleeping surface, while the lightweight canopy offers adjustable shade and ventilation. Together, these components create an efficient, cozy, and highly functional camping setup. The Cave by Heimplanet is a geodesic dome tent engineered for maximum stability and minimal setup time. Constructed from durable, waterproof material, it withstands harsh weather while accommodating up to 3 people comfortably. Features include a built-in rainfly, vestibule, and gear loft. Lightweight, rugged, and spacious, it's an excellent tent for families and serious campers alike. The Haven tent brings comfort outdoors with its unique lay-flat hammock design, eliminating the curved body shape common in traditional hammocks. Its patented suspension system is quick to set up, stable in windy conditions, and easily adjustable. A built-in bug net provides protection from insects, while the high-quality materials ensure durability and comfort. Ideal for hikers, campers, and hammock enthusiasts. Max Lantern blends vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. It features adjustable mood lighting, a dancing flame effect, humidification mode, and an emergency power supply. Coated with a retro-style baking lacquer finish, the lantern delivers warmth and charm in a compact 17.6-ounce design. Perfect for outdoor gatherings or cozy indoor settings. The bubble tent offers a unique outdoor experience, letting you sleep under the stars while staying protected from wind, insects, and UV rays. Made from durable, tear-resistant PVC, it is fully waterproof and comes in various sizes. Many models include built-in fans, heaters, and LED lighting. Ideal for camping, festivals, and scenic retreats, the bubble tent provides comfort with a panoramic view. Inspired by origami, the Sago charger folds into a compact shape for easy portability while delivering high-efficiency power using SunPower solar cells. Available in 20W, 50W, and 100W models, it can charge everything from smartphones to laptops and portable fridges. With multiple output ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and QC 3.0, it's ideal for camping, road trips, off-grid living, and emergency preparedness. The Fullingway Portable Water Purification System is an innovative solution designed to provide clean and safe drinking water wherever you go. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for camping, hiking, travel, and emergency situations. Using a combination of ceramic, carbon and membrane filters, it removes up to 99.99% of contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals. The system can filter up to 1,000 liters of water and is simple to use and maintain. Affordable and effective, the Fullingway purifier is a must-have for anyone seeking safe hydration on the go. The Ecto Chair is a revolutionary portable chair designed to keep you cool and comfortable anywhere. Using 54 feet of micro-cooling lines, it lowers your temperature by up to 45 degrees Fahrenheit in under a minute and offers 9 hours of cooling or 4 hours of heating. Lightweight at under 4 pounds with a 300 pounds capacity, it's ideal for camping, beaches, and backyard relaxation. Compatible with most coolers and featuring a built-in carrying strap, the Ecto Chair brings next-level comfort to the outdoors. The GoSun Camp 365 is an ultralight, solar-powered off-grid camper built for adventure seekers. Setting up or packing down in less than 10 minutes, it includes solar appliances for cooking, cooling, showering, and sleeping comfortably. Its sealed outer shell and durable construction make it suitable for harsh environments and remote locations. Enjoy complete freedom and avoid campground fees with this fully solar-independent travel solution. The Paxis backpack is designed for photographers, hikers, and bird watchers who need instant access to gear. Featuring arc swing technology, it allows one-handed access to a swing-out pod without removing the backpack. Built from durable nylon with a 30L capacity, it provides ample storage, multiple compartments, and ergonomic comfort. Reliable and innovative, the Paxis backpack enhances every outdoor adventure. The Scout e-bike camper is a compact trailer-based camper designed for solo adventurers. With 3 storage compartments and a 75-inch by 35-inch bed, it offers comfortable sleeping space while remaining lightweight at just 104 pounds. The pop-up overhang and convertible table add convenience, and the camper can even serve as a mobile kiosk. Perfect for bikepacking, camping, and long-distance exploration. The Vista portable hammock and stand offer unmatched relaxation on any terrain, no trees needed. The breathable, durable fabric provides comfort, while the lightweight stand sets up quickly and remains stable on sand, grass, or rocky surfaces. Its portable design makes it perfect for camping, picnics, and backyard lounging, delivering a premium relaxation experience anywhere. The ES30W is the world's lightest portable folding solar table, offering 30W peak output in an ultra-thin, waterproof, and dustproof design. Featuring a unique foldable mechanism, PE protective coating, and corrosion-proof aluminum alloy structure, the ES30W is perfect for camping, emergency use, fieldwork, and off-grid battery charging. Strong, scratch-resistant, and easy to carry, this table delivers portable solar power anywhere.